All right, Dave, what are we doing today?
Embossed work.
We'll explain what we're doing.
Oh, okay, all right. So we're cutting out stars. We're gonna weed everything around the stars, leave the stars, back tape the stars, and then we're gonna do some cool embossing work on the back of the Mustang today.
And on top of the stars, we're doing the green.
OD green.
All
So
right.
they will not be this color, but you will see them through the OD green wrap. It's gonna be awesome.
Cool. All right, so we're now weeding out all the stars. You can see the bottom of the first row right there. Oh yeah, the camera's picking it up. You can see the individual stars cut in, and then these are all weed lines, and it'll start to pull up like that all the way across. So, except down here because we didn't cut it off early enough. So once we get down here, it's gonna be little squares. You can kind of see them. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be insane.
All right, so you can see the start of these. Looks really good. All right, so we got everything weeded. This looks absolutely awesome. The camera's not really picking it up, but it has like a nice red tint to it. These aren't black. You can see it kind of right there. We're about to cut the other one and then do the same thing, and then we're gonna go down and get it on the car once we get some transfer tape on it. Dave, what are you thinking?
I'm loving it.
There you go. All right, so here's the Mustang. It's Dave's Mustang, so got the stars ready to go. He's gonna lay them out, and then this is the green that he's putting over top of it. It's like a cool, like army, like OD green. So should look pretty sweet on here.
Match flags.
Yeah, match those flags. Pretty cool. All right, Dave, how's it going?
Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth.
It's like just so subtle.
Yeah.
You can see him.
Perfect.
Looks awesome. And you already got the knife tape on. Nice.
Yeah. Get my line. I'm gonna have to cut this. Yeah. With the stars.